New York City is indeed one of the most famous and iconic cities in the world. Located in the state of New York, it is often referred to simply as New York or NYC. Here are some key facts and information about this bustling metropolis. New York City is situated on the northeastern coast of the United States, at the mouth of the Hudson River. It consists of 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Population. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, New York City had a population of over 8 million people, making it the most populous city in the United States. Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy. The Statue of Liberty is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, Yesha, Times Square. Famous for its bright lights, theaters, and entertainment, Times Square is a major commercial and tourist hub. Central Park, a vast green oasis in the heart of Manhattan. Central Park offers recreational activities, scenic landscapes, and cultural attractions. Empire State Building. One of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world, the Empire State Building offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation deck. One World Trade Center. Standing as a symbol of resilience, this skyscraper is part of the World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, the MEAT, one of the largest and most prestigious art museums in the world, located on the eastern edge of Central Park. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, renowned for its collection of modern and contemporary art. New York City is a global center for theater, particularly Broadway, where you can find world-class performances and musicals. Cuisine. NYC is a melting pot of cultures, reflected in its diverse culinary scene. From street food to fine dining, you can find cuisine from around the world. Subway. The New York City subway system is one of the largest and busiest in the world. Yellow cabs. Iconic yellow taxis are a common sight on the city streets. Bridges and tunnels here connecting the boroughs. Structures like the Brooklyn Bridge and the Lincoln Tunnel are vital transportation links. New York City hosts numerous events throughout the year, including the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, New Year's Eve celebrations in Times Square, and various cultural festivals. NYC is a global financial center, home to the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and numerous multinational corporations. Remember that details and statistics may have changed since my last update in January 2022, so it's always a good idea to check for the latest information.